everyone, it's me, Molly!
Molly of Denali.
Let's go!
She's Molly of Denali.
By plane, a sled, or snowshoe, she is ready to explore. From Cactoga down to Juneau, always wanting to learn more.
Yeah!
Together with her best friend, Tuli, always by her side.
And Trini!
Discovering the outdoors on adventures day and night.
Come along with Molly.
Molly.
Through fields of fire we come along with Molly.
Molly. From tundra to the sea.
Must see Joe! Let's go!
Molly of Denali.
Yeah!
She's Molly of Denali.
Come on, let's go!
Molly of Denali. She's Molly of Denali.
New Navagi. Okay, Grandpa. Here's your binoculars, notebook, and emergency bag of dry fish.
I don't think I need all that for just a few days, Molly.
You're studying a volcano in the Aleutian Islands. You're gonna need snacks.
How about I take one piece of dry fish for the trip and another for my belly? And now, I have another favor to ask. You know the annual Kaya ice cream competition?
Of course! You've won 5 years straight. You're an ice cream legend.
The problem is I can't enter this year. I'll be away. Unless... Would you enter for me?
Yes! Of course! 1,000%!
I knew I could count on you. Follow me. The contest is tomorrow, Molly. You'll want to get started early. These are the ingredients. And here is my top secret recipe.
Don't worry, I won't let you down. Starting now. Welcome to the Athabascan Chef. Today I'm making Grandpa Nat's Navagi, an Alaskan native ice cream. It's different than other kinds of ice cream. There's no ice and no cream, but there is mousse. Ingredients: 2 cups mousse fat, 1 cup dried mousse meat, 1 cup wild strawberries, and ½ a cup mashed wild carrot. Step 1. Whip fat until fluffy. When I'm done whipping, it'll look like cake frosting. Keep whipping. Nearly there. Almost. Oh. Woo! That's what it looks like when you're done. What do you think, Suki? Let's see. Step 2. Mix in dried mousse meat. Step 3. Fold in wild strawberries. Step 4. Add mashed wild carrots to taste. Not quite like Grandpa's. Not bad. Molly, where are you? Upstairs, Tui. Hey, you want to play some basketball? Can't. I'm making Grandpa's Navagi. Really? Yeah, he's not here, so I get to make it for the competition. Suki, no! You ate it all? Bad dog! What am I going to do, Tui? The competition is tonight! We'll make it again. Do you have the recipe? Suki! Aw, Grandpa should never have counted on me. Just write it down again before you forget. Good idea. And will you help me find more ingredients? Yeah, as long as I get to taste the Navagi. Deal. Grandpa Nat's Navagi. the moose fat was the first ingredient. How much? I'm pretty sure it was 2 cups. Next comes the meat, and oh yeah, 1 cup of wild strawberries and ½ a cup of wild carrot. Ta-da!
Do you remember the directions?
Better write that down too. Done!
So, moose fat and meat. I know who has those. Mr. Rowley.
But he lives across the river. How will we get there?
Good moose fat is hard to come by, so offer a fair trade. Mr. Rowley likes to barter.
He needs a barber to cut his hair?
No, he likes to barter. You know, trade one thing for another. Though, he probably could use a barber.
Okay, if you don't want us to clear away the brush, what if Tui and I hammered something? Oh, chopped! What if we chopped wood in exchange for moose?
I just chopped a big pile yesterday.
Wash your four-wheeler?
Nah, it's just the way I like it. There is a job I could use help with. It's pretty messy, though. Been meaning to clean my glass figurines. Clean them so they sparkle.
We could definitely do that.
Well, you can start here.
Wait.
All of them?
Elbow grease for moose grease. Come on, I'll give you a hand.
Whew! You earned yourself some moose.
Merci. Thank you, Mr. Rowley.
What's next?
Wild strawberries.
There's a patch right up the river. Though, it's pretty late in the year for strawberries.
It's definitely late for strawberries.
Can you use something else? Those berries, maybe?
Those are just... Oh, wait. They're lingonberries.
Nice and ripe.
It could work, and it's better than nothing. Buzz-seat berries. Carrots are next. Grandpa always says to find wild carrots, you first have to find... weasels. Because they eat wild carrots. So, if we want to find carrots...
Follow that weasel.
We're not playing, Weasel. We need your help. Where'd you even go? I think those are carrots.
Definitely wild carrots.
Wahoo!
Gotta do this fast, Molly. The competition starts in an hour.
I know. But first... You stay here until we're done cooking, Suki. Next, change the recipe to lingonberries.
Now the fun part. We whip. You really need an electric whipper thingy.
Okay, last step is add mashed wild carrot to taste. Ugh, too sour. Lingonberries aren't as sweet as strawberries.
You sure you don't have any strawberries in your fridge?
I'll go check. My emergency blueberry stash. They're sweet. 1 cup blueberries. What do you think? Not exactly like Grandpa's, but it's good.
Really good.
And 1 cup blueberries. There. Done. Let's go. Is she smiling? Does she like it?
I can't tell.
Huh. I never knew ice cream could be so worrying.
After so many years of awarding first prize to Grandpa Nat, I thought this year we had a new winner. But no, the winning Navagi is once again Grandpa Nat's. How does he do it?
We did it!
Molly, can you accept this award on Nat's behalf?
Yes!
It's a birch bark basket, just like traditional Navagi was made in.
Wow! Masicho, Auntie Midge. I can't wait to show Grandpa. Congratulations, Grandpa! You won again!
Oh, very nice. But I want to taste this new Navagi you made.
I saved you some. There was a little, accident with the first batch, so I had to make some changes.
I can tell. It's not like my usual Navagi.
Oh.
It's better. What'd you put in here?
I made a copy of the recipe.
Blueberries and lingonberries. Nice. But I think you left out the most important change. This is now Molly and Grandpa Nat's Navagi. And you must keep the prize. You are the one who earned it.
Hi, Grandpa. Hey everyone, Molly here to answer your questions about life in Alaska. Maricela from Pennsylvania asks, are there different kinds of Alaska Native ice cream? Yep, let's see.
Hi, Molly.
This is Marge, and she taught us how to make Navagi.
In Inupiaq, it's called akutak.
We are writing our own recipe so we can make the dish again when Marge isn't here to show us. So I have to write the directions very clearly. There are 2 parts for our recipes: the list of our ingredients and the list of directions. We learned that the first step is to cut up fat in little pieces.
This is moose fat.
It gets really, really cold in Alaska, like 50 below zero. The fat gives us energy to warm our bodies when it's cold out. Step 2, mash the fat, and 3, whip the fat.
Usually, the way we have learned, is by watching. Do you want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold the bowl.
This is a lot of hard work. What's next?
After the fat is whipped to being smooth, then we add the berries.
4th step, mix berries with fat. I want to put in some raspberries and blueberries. 8, 9, 10. Mixing it.
Good job.
This looks good. My recipe is moose fat, 2 tablespoons, frozen raspberries, 1/2 handful, 10 blueberries, and enjoy. That's good. Marge is a great teacher.
Masicho, thanks for asking and see you next time.